Come on. Come on. Up here. Hi, buddy. Osh, my friend. Hi. Sybil. She just crazy. But this one is a sweetheart. Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to play. Yeah. I don't have... Here, look. Here's a string. Nope, nope, nope. He wants to play. I don't have cat toys. You guys, I can't buy Wildcats cat toys. I can't buy myself a toy. It's all right, buddy. Come here. We'll just have to make a toy for you. From something that... No, you can't rub on the phone. We'll make you a toy out of something. I don't know what. One of the rope toys the dogs broke. How's that? You need a toy? Tell everybody we need cat toys. I don't have a toy. He always wants to play. Always wants to chase me. But he plays rough. Look, he's chasing my hand right now. But he plays rough. He just wants a home. I wish someone would take him. We're trying to find you a home. Such a good boy. Look how pretty you are. Yeah. Look how much weight you've gained. She's pregnant. That one. I feel bad. I can't get near her yet. Just about 2 feet away is about it. This one, you can't get out of your face.